Hi everyone, it's Jared with Heat Press Nation. Sawgrass SG printers are the most popular sublimation printers out there. But did you know that by owning one, you have access to free tools for starting your sublimation business? This is thanks to the Sawgrass Network, and in this video, I'll be talking about what it entails for Sawgrass users. As part of the release of the SG500 and SG1000 printers, Sawgrass has revamped their digital ecosystem to make getting started with sublimation much easier for both beginners and experienced users. This is the Sawgrass Network. Every registered Sawgrass user can access resources that essentially make up a business package, but at no extra cost. This network includes their cloud-based Creative Studio design tool, the Go Expression and Go Exchange networks, and Sawgrass Academy training courses. To be able to create personalized sublimation designs for others, you'll need to have design software. For many jobs, you may also need to purchase licensed artwork, which isn't cheap. This is where Creative Studio comes to the rescue. It's a free, easy-to-use design tool that offers a large library of pre-made designs, clip art, fonts, templates, backgrounds, and more, all of which are free and licensed for your personal and commercial use. With Creative Studio being cloud-based, you can expect it to always be up to date with both new features and its growing library of royalty-free assets. If you're interested in getting more out of Creative Studio, like uploading your own fonts and having access to an expanded library of even more artwork, you can upgrade to a paid premium membership. However, Creative Studio and its library by default are free for every Sawgrass user. The Go Expression and Go Exchange market networks from Sawgrass are ready to help you dive into starting your own sublimation business. Go Expression is the Sawgrass online marketplace where anyone can start selling their own sublimation-based products around the world with no upfront cost to begin with. Being heavily integrated with Creative Studio, you can simply create a fixed or customizable design for any Go product, then sell it directly through your Go Expression storefront. But what about order fulfillment? How exactly are your products made and shipped? Go Exchange answers this by giving you the ability to either fulfill your own orders or outsource fulfillment to producers that are local to your buyer. Outsourcing production and fulfillment means less of a headache for you, and your customer receives their custom product as soon as possible. This also means that you can make money off of your designs without having to actually own any sublimation or heat press equipment. Go Expression and Go Exchange create a win-win scenario for both creatives and producers operating in the world of sublimation. Now, what if you're entirely new to sublimation and you don't know where to start with the Sawgrass Network? Fortunately, Sawgrass Academy is ready to train anyone with a Sawgrass printer on how to get started. From getting started with your sublimation printer to the fundamentals of using your Sawgrass system, the Sawgrass Academy consists of fun and straightforward lessons that'll help you become a sublimation pro in no time. Sawgrass Academy even includes classes on Creative Studio and the Go Exchange and Go Expression platforms. Since Sawgrass Academy is offered completely free and online, you can work on it anywhere while learning at your own pace. You can also earn certifications and learn how to run a successful sublimation business along the way. The Sawgrass Network is jam-packed with free, helpful resources for creators in the sublimation industry. Take their simple yet powerful design program like Creative Studio that's linked together with the Go Expression and Go Exchange platforms. Then add to that their incredible training courses available on Sawgrass Academy. With all of this on the table, it's clear that Sawgrass is breaking down barriers in order to make running a successful sublimation business an attainable goal for everybody. These essential components offered on the Sawgrass Network are not usually offered with other printers or ink systems. In those cases, the initial startup cost is actually higher when building up your sublimation business. You'll have to separately purchase licensed artwork, third-party software, as well as the upfront costs associated with creating an online storefront. Most other printers don't offer any free training or support, even for the setup process, which leaves you to fend for yourself when getting started. It's without a doubt that with the Sawgrass Network, you're getting a turnkey sublimation business package that's unlike any other. To learn more about Sawgrass sublimation products, please visit our website at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, feel free to get in touch with a My Expert representative at 800-215-0894. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.